Here's how to allow APK installation from unknown sources on Android. Now, if you have an app that you wanted to download, but it's not from the Google Play Store, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is get into your settings. So swipe up and tap on Settings from here. And there are two different things we'll do from here. We'll scroll down until we get to the section for security and privacy and tap on that. The first thing we'll do is scroll down and we want to make sure auto blocker is turned off. This will prevent you from being able to download and install those APK files. And now the next thing we'll do is go back out of here and we'll find the apps section. So scroll down until you get to apps and tap on that. Now, once you're in the apps, you can tap on the three dots at the very top right, and we'll tap on special access. From special access, all you need to do is scroll down and you can see install unknown apps. Just tap on that. Now on here, I would recommend turning on the web browser that you wanted to download that specific APK file from an unknown source. And then in addition to that, you might want to turn on My Files. This is because basically when you download it from, for instance, Google Chrome, it will then download to the Files app on your phone, depending on what Files app you have. I have a Samsung Galaxy here. So make sure both of those are turned on. And now you can head out of here and just open up, for instance, APK Mirror or any APK and start downloading it and installing it on your Android. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.